Welcome to my channel Future Technos. The Canon EOS R7 Mark II is rumored to be a high-end Aps-c mirrorless camera with significant upgrades, potentially dropping the mechanical shutter for a fully electronic one capable of 40 fps shooting. Other rumored features include a 32.2 megapixel sensor, 6K RAW video recording, and active cooling. It's also expected to have a higher resolution EVF, 3.69 m, and potentially a body size and layout similar to the EOS R5 Mark II. The Canon EOS R7 Mark II is generating significant buzz in 2025 due to its expected impressive features and performance. Here are some key details. Key features. Sensor. *40 megapixel stacked Aps-c sensor for faster readout speeds and reduced rolling shutter. Video. *8K video recording at 30p, 4K at 120 fps, and 10-bit 4:2:2 internal recording. Autofocus. Advanced dual pixel CMOS AF2 with AI-driven subject detection and tracking. Stabilization. *5-axis IBIS with up to 7 stops of stabilization. Burst mode. Up to 40 fps electronic shutter and improved buffer performance. Release and pricing. Release date. Expected in Q3 or Q4 2025, with some sources suggesting a possible announcement in late summer. Price. Estimated starting price around $1,799 for the body only, with kits potentially reaching over $2,000. Design and ergonomics. Body. Magnesium alloy construction with weather sealing and improved ergonomics similar to the EOS R5 Mark II. Design. Slightly larger than the original R7, but still compact and lightweight. Other details. Compatibility. Current accessories designed for the EOS R5 Mark II, such as the cooling grip, are expected to work with the R7 Mark II. Card slots. CF Express Type